Hey everybody, my name is Ryan. I'm the co-creator to Happiness Homemade, and today we're making an introduction video. And I know that may seem really strange because on YouTube we have 6 or 7 videos. We do put them out on a regular basis, but that is because we wanted to have the food and the music and the fun behind it all draw the subscribers in, not necessarily seeing people or a face. If you notice, that is our format. We don't really have a lot of time for talking and explaining why this is grandma's favorite recipe and so on and so forth. Not that there's anything wrong with it, that is just not the format we wanted to follow. So I'm going to keep it short because of that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Leave us a comment, leave us a like. We do have an Instagram as well. It's Happiness Homemade 821. Come over and say hi there. There's pictures and other things on there that we can't put on YouTube just because of the format YouTube uses. So please do make it a community. We want to know if you've got recipes that you want us to try. I can't cook, so that's the point of this whole thing actually, is to get me off my butt and actually learn how to cook. My wife's the brainchild behind all of this. She's really good at it, and I'm very proud of her because of it. But it was mainly for me to learn. So if you have any criticisms or judgments, please let me know, especially when they get to me. Other than that, like I said, subscribe, leave a comment, leave a recipe, give us something to laugh about, and I really appreciate you taking your time out to come say hi, and I hope you have a good evening. Bye.